I'm doing. So anyway, here we go. Let's look at this. Yes. Pumpkin. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. Okay, y'all stay tuned. I'm fixing to do some amazing things, and also we're going to make some frosting topping to go on top of this when it's done. So let's get this to scooping. Okay. This is my first time using this pan here. So I'm thinking about it. Probably take 2 scoops of this, maybe 3. But like I said, we didn't. It says do not grease the pan. Put the 2. And there's no water or anything added to this, so this is pretty well cake batter consistency here. Let's shake that up and see. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to put 3 scoops in each one. These are just the regular, just pinch my finger. Regular cookie scoops. The small one. I got these silicone pans. They're from Amazon. And I will put a link down below on that. Okay, I got 3 scoops, the small scoops. Let me shake it up here. Distribute that out evenly. Yeah. Where's my spoon? My first time using silicone, we're going to have to spread it. Do y'all like using silicone baking pans? I've never used them before. It's my first time using silicone. So this is going to be an experience. So I'm glad I got this, getting this on camera. So we'll see how this is. Okay, that's 3 small cookie scoops. The small cookie scoops of the batter in each one of these little triangle forms. Okay, and then these right here will be probably the bigger version of them. This might be like maybe 2 servings for this one pan. Let's see how much that's 4 scoops. These are the like aluminum pans. That's 5 scoops. Let's get our other one here. Okay, it looks like it's going to do 3 of these. Gotta get 1 more pan like this, and then this is 8 slices here. So I'm gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees, until it is done. You can either stick a toothpick in the center of it and almost clean, or you do the bounce test. So I'll be right back. Hey, we did not use any spray on these pans, and they came out clean. Did not stick whatsoever. And the aluminum pans, they're so easy. You just cook and serve in the same pan and decorate, and it's got a lid on it. So yes, A+ for these pans.